friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Marenka Warna. Now we will color pictures, ice cream. Before coloring it, now we will draw it. We will draw 2 ice creams. This is the first ice cream. Come on friends, take your pencils and markers. We will draw together. Do you guys really like ice cream?
Yeah!
Almost finished, friends. Now, we will draw the second ice cream.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently.
Finished, friends. Now, let's coloring it. The first color is pink.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Light blue.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had
Orange.
a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Purple. Yellow. Green. Pink again. Yellow again. The lastly, friends, is brown. Finished, friends. Thank you for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.